This is the Freewell Snow Mist filter for the Osmo Pocket 3. Now digital images are sharp, especially in the Pocket 3, so these diffusion filters help take the edges off the sharpness to make the image more pleasing. It also produces a halation effect around lights. Now the stronger the filter, the stronger the effect will be, but the contrast will also be lowered. This one from Freewell is 1/4 strength. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the packaging for the Freewell Snow Mist filter for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's go ahead and open it up. It comes with this small lens cloth. Looks like a Sony lens printed on there. And here's the case for the filter. Inside is the filter, of course. Looks like an empty spot to carry an additional filter too. Let's take it out. Not sure if you can see this on camera, but it has small white speckles in there. On the top side is a Freewell branding, and on the bottom is a filter name. Let's put this on the Pocket 3. Snaps on there super easy. Now when you turn off the Pocket 3, it does this thing where it hits the gimbal and then rotates in the other direction. It does this with the DJI wide-angle lens too, which is much thicker than the mist filter. It does this so that it can be placed safely into the protective cover. The mist filter fits inside the cover in the same spot labeled for the DJI mist filter. Let's get the wide angle lens back in there. And now the pocket. Everything you need to shoot in a small package. Now let's head out and test the snow mist filter. Now, I'll be honest, going into this I wasn't a fan of mist filters. Whenever I look at comparison tests with mist filters, it looks like a clean versus dirty lens test. I know these filters are popular though, and I wanted to understand why. So after finally using one, I have some thoughts. I like the image it produces, it makes it feel more filmic. It shouldn't be used with every shot though. I also wish I had a weaker strength one, like a 1/8, because sometimes a 1/4 strength felt like it was a little too strong for some shots. Oh, I also heard that diffusion filter softens the skin, so it should make me look prettier. So here it is without the filter, and now with the filter. Yeah, I'm gonna need a stronger strength filter for this. See ya.